Hi everyone, hope you're really well. Welcome to today's rapid fire. Let's get in. The markets are looking a lot better than they have the last couple of weeks. In fact, we're on the edge of an all-time high breakout. We haven't quite gotten to the area that I want to see just yet, but look, anything above 107 really has me taking notice that, look, the market's gaining a bit of strength here. We are coming into, you can see here the channel, we're coming into that downtrend channel resistance. So that is the area which we really want to flip. So you can just see here, lower high, lower high, lower high. We really want to flip this type of action like that. We want to say move above 110. And then we can maybe retest this area as support, no longer resistance. But all in all, Bitcoin, after this drop through here with the scare in the Middle East, we've just been running higher and higher and higher. And I do think the damn wall is going to break pretty soon. That said, I do actually think we're going to have a pullback here. While everyone's been now beginning to long and sort of got the starry eyes, while I do think this follows through in July, I think right now there's ample reason to think we're going to come back to maybe this area. So 106, 105, do a little bit of a scary cut in the short term. It's not going to be scary at all for Bitcoin investors, but altcoins, I guess the people that are just running in late to long everything are going to have another little rinse, I think, just here. It could be just a very orderly pullback. It could be a little bit sharp and scary, but I think just with the RSI, how the RSI is looking, a bit of a rollover here, and everything's pointing to that shorter term time frame is just going to get taken a little bit. All eyes as well are on the monthly close, which will happen tomorrow. So this is the most incredible monthly close ever. It will be the highest monthly close of all time for Bitcoin. So we're in a really promising state here. I see no cause for alarm. The body of this candle is quite big. Go down to the weekly. This is higher than the last. Go down to the weekly. It's a little bit clearer in the respect you get a bit more nuance. Now, the squiggles aside, just have a look at this big green bullish engulfing candle, and why it's engulfing. Well, it's bigger than the last candle we've been in this downtrend. So this candle close here suggests this coming week Bitcoin's going to ramp to new all-time highs, but I think just in the short term we could get that little bit of a move back into 1700, 1600 again. It's marginal, but I think it's going to sort of fill your bags if you've got dips loaded, and it might shake out a few people that have been waiting for a long time. But if you just look at S&P 500, all-time highs, we're seeing liquidity just go bananas. We're seeing the liquidity spigots really spool up. The macro conditions are really improving on that front. If we go over to Ethereum, look, it's not far away. It is showing tremendous resilience. Now, I'm seeing a lot of resilience from Solana, from Sui, and others. Resilience in the respect that they're looking like they're wanting to bottom. I'm seeing strong bullish divergences begin to form. It looks like lows are being put in, especially on the weekly time frame. So everything looks good there. But Ethereum, don't sleep on it. It's just climbed back into the range, and I think it's probably going to pinch and squeeze up through this 200-day moving average. You see, this range is has been quite containing for Ethereum, and you can see here it's on the edge of a downtrend break against the RSI. And if we pop on over to Ethereum Bitcoin just quickly, it's coiling as well. It's actually looks quite similar to the USD chart, which is interesting that it's not sort of further apart. Generally, we see the USD charts quite pronounced. You're front running the Bitcoin chart, right? And they're kind of side by side. So there is strength there, I think. But I would be waiting for the upside break if you're playing it from Bitcoin. Right now, though, looking at the RSI, I mean, you could draw it maybe to there, but I think maybe that's the safest. We see a breakout there, good to go. Get above these moving averages and back through there. Ethereum is good to go as well. And then altcoins, I think, are going to have a really strong move. All right, guys, everything else I'll cover, I'll leave for the mastermind group. And we'll go from there. So have a wonderful day, guys. We'll catch you soon. I will be dropping my mastermind update this Friday. Joe is still away, so at least that's my understanding. So I look forward to that session. If you enjoyed my session last week, I look forward to doing it again. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.